Yes. Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you are new here, my name is Julia. Otherwise, welcome back to Makeup with Time with Julia. In today's video, we decide to do a soft glam, everyday glam, whatever, everything in between glam. You can wear like when you're going out for meal, no crazy look. So if you want to know how I put this look together, guys, I just want you to keep watching. Those of you who have, send me a message on my last video that has commented on that video, I just want you to know I'm feeling, every day I'm feeling more better, and thank you guys so much. Today's video, I have been meaning to do this. This is how I started my channel. I started with my everyday look and work look. You just use everything that is inexpensive. Okay, well, when you talk about everything that is inexpensive, you're talking about Revolution. I hope you are doing well, guys. Okay, let's get started. The first thing I'm going to use is, I have washed my face. You need face primer. Me, for example, I have a very oily skin, so I tend to use primer that is matte. I really like this very one here, and it's not expensive. It's from Revolution. I like this one. Then this just arrived yesterday, which I'm going to try, and it's also not expensive. The video I watched is Tammy Clark. She highly recommends this primer. I have not used it before, and it's Barry M. Barry M is not expensive at all. I like their nail polish. I like their setting spray. I use Barry M setting spray a lot, and I use their primer, other primer. This one is that it will be obviously available in Boots or Superdrug, because Barry M is UK. Big mirror. Oh, feels soft for a very long time. This is from Revolution. The reason I'm going to use Revolution today, you all know Juvia's Place is my go-to when it comes to foundation. And after Juvia's Place, I like Maybelline. Is also inexpensive. You can find it in Superdrug or Boots. Revolution have full coverage. We all know Revolution is UK brand. I miss this foundation a lot. I have not used this foundation for a long time. Brush. This is how I will apply my foundation. This brush is from our collection. It's really good when you are applying foundation on your face. The concealer I'm using also from Revolution. This is the 16 hours wear, the new version. Before I used to apply my concealer like all over, but lately I have not been doing that because it will end up too much. So I will just concentrate on this area. So when I'm not blending, I will just stretch it down. At this point, I will use my sponge. So under my eye, open my eye. You see that? So before I will set, I will just do a bit of contour. I like using this one. This is L'Oreal True Match, and my shade is 8DW Caramel Toffee. That's this shade. You see that? Then matte as well, is to blend this area. So when I'm doing this area, I like to go upward, downward, up and down. So if I have any line, I'll use this one. My under eye and my contour area is now officially gone. This powder here is Revolution setting powder. I do this when I want my face to stay matte all day. Again, I like my under eye to be bright. If you are in work, sweating and all that, yeah. So basically, this is how I set my face. Face powder. This is my go-to face powder. And my shade is, in fact, you know, I have hid the panel as well. So it's P10. That's my shade. Use this all over my face. Even the area I have highlighted, just to calm things down. So for now, I'll concentrate on this area and my neck. Under my eye. When it comes to under my eye, I will go gently. It's called Mega Bronze. So my shade is 02 Warm. You see now. So I want this area to be warm. I like using stuff that, you know, people can afford. It's instead of luxury brand, if you know what I'm trying to say. This is from our brush collection. And this can really hit your nose just like this. You see that? So sometimes, and not sometimes, 8 out of 10, I will take it up here. Yeah. See that? I like doing my base off camera. Now doing my makeup, the one I want to show on camera is how I'm doing my eye look, you know, but I don't really show this part on camera. I always do this part off camera. When it comes to my eyebrow, I have expensive Benefit eyebrow, but that's not why we are here. We are here to do something that is not expensive. So you can get this from Superdrug, Boots, or Maybelline websites. Anyway, but I'm using this one today, which is a Fora. Fora is available on Amazon. It's an American brand. If you have access to Amazon, yeah, I will recommend it. Otherwise, just get Maybelline from Boots. Like, you know, draw a fake line or anything. I just need to tint what I've got because I have my own eyebrows. So when it comes to this area, it's just a stroke. Then do a bit of line here. Then I'll start from here again. Before it was upward, now it's downward. Funny now. So what I usually do, I will just like comb it together because I don't want any line or any stroke. I don't want it because I have my own. When it comes to cleaning my eyebrow, I prefer to use this 16 hours wear. This is Volume and Sculpt. This one is also Revolution. I have another one which is Soap and Glory. That one is also available in both. So it's supposed to make your eyebrow last longer. Brown. Have you seen that? So you've seen me using this girl, P. Louise base. Yeah, an award winning. But because you can only buy online and stuff like that, it's 5-star. I'm not going to use P. Louise base today. I'm going to use something that you can able to get just like that, which is from Revolution, called Crease Canvas. The reason I don't reach for Revolution that much is it's good. Don't get me wrong. It's good. My shade is right. Everything is right. The reason I don't reach for it that much is it's so watery. It's just so it's eyeshadow. It's an eyeshadow base as well. I want to use this today only because you can able to get it. You might not want to buy P. Louise, but which one will I recommend between this one and P. Louise base? Is P. Louise base, of course. So what I usually do, that's too much already. Damn you, Revolution. Cut crease canvas, you can use it to cut your crease, and my shade here is H. This will make your eyeshadow stay, if you know what I mean. Make it last longer, especially for the hooded eye. As you can see, this massive big line here. So what I will do, I didn't apply too much, So this will go all over my lid. As you can see, we go all over. It doesn't dry. This doesn't dry quick. That's why I don't use it often, because I haven't got the time. But P. Louise, it will just dry down so quick, and it's matte. Let me just dab it down. You know, I do colorful look and stuff like that. This is from Revolution. Of course you have seen this. It's everyday look. We're gonna do something, let's say, like, you know, a bit of smoky, a bit of shimmer. Let's just see what, or we can just do all matte, you know. So I'll go in with this shade, which is the darker shade. This whole palette, yes. I will start here. I will start here. You know, I will take my eyeshadow that way. This is my technique. I always dab, then after I will blend. Shade, which is this very shade here, you know, like what I did before, just dab. But this time I'm gonna stretch this forward. Or this, but I will go with this. Rub this all over here. To take my eyeshadow to this area. Okay, so this same shade I am going to use to blend my brow bone. From dark to light, from dark to light, which is the darker shade I started with at the beginning. I will just go back with that shade. I will make sure I intensify this area. I'll go with this. This is what I do. I will just use my finger. Little precise brush. This one, there is no name. I will go back. I will just tidy it up. This shade here, which I started with, I would like to join my eyeshadow from bottom lash to top. I always love it. If it's not joined, it doesn't make sense. I like joint situation all the time. Tidy up this area. I nearly forgot about that. Always make sure between your shimmer and matte is all blend. Make sure you blend this area, okay? But for this palette, I think my job is done here. She can stay here for now. This Barry M eyeliner, my primer, remember? Also Barry M. So I've not tried this. I'm gonna get more of these. And this is from Primark. I like to keep my makeup, everything I use when it comes to makeup, I like to keep it very low budget, because you don't have to buy expensive makeup to start your makeup journey. You can do primer makeup, you can do B&M. I want to use it to tighten my waterline. It's just as good, affordable. Of MIT lashes by Julia, which is from our collection, and style MIT 4. Okay, you just look down, you hold it down, so you pick it up, just place it. Yeah, Jackie, I'm talking to you if you are watching. What? That doesn't make any sense. You know, you are my girl. See? Baby girl is jealous. Bless her. I like to use these two here I like to mix these two together because I want it here, not down here, if you know what I mean. I want it here, and I know where I want it now. See that? It's just, I just dab it. I got this from my local hair shop in town. I like it. I will recommend it. I don't know the brand. Good. I have award-winning highlighter from Primark. PS Primark. I like it. You see this girl. You see that? You see that? So there is no line in between both highlighter and blush. See that? Setting spray. Yeah. This one is from Collection in Boots. You can find this in Boots. Matte. It has to be matte. If it's not matte, it doesn't make sense. You know what? We have oily skin. This is Barry M again, all night long, extra strong, and it's also matte. I got this Primark here. I don't care for, like I said before, I don't care for it. I can just use anything I want, but I'm gonna just try for the sake of the video. If I want a topper or anything shiny, I can just apply any. Okay, let me just apply this. This one is from, it's also from Revolution. What is your name, love? Wiru. So the shade is called Wiru. It's metallic. Okay, just on top. Like, the technique I use today is the technique I started my journey, my makeup journey with. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram. It's at Makeup It Time with Julia. Let me know what you think of this look, and I will see you guys on my very next video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.